in my last 2 weeks or so of COVID, I have deliveries. What could it be?
I saw you with the box. What was in the box? What's in the box? What's in the fucking box?
What's in the box? Let's find out. Okay. Cut away, cut away. Here we go. Oh boy. What could this be? Oh boy. Looks like the 2.4. All right, let's get her out the box. So here's the blower out of the box. Look at that. Look at the insides. All right, we're gonna turn it over very carefully in 3, 2, 1. So here's the back, the underside. And here's a good representation of a stock elbow and a ported elbow. Stock, ported. And here's the blower. And a 2.4 pulley on the front. So now that I have this, which was a complete total find, not by me actually trying, so now that I got this, I'm gonna sell my stock Trinity in 3, 2, 1. Shipping this Trinity blower out. Oh yeah. All right guys, so that's gonna end the video for today. And this is gonna be a very nice surprise going on the car very, very soon. All right guys, we'll see you later, and thank you for watching. Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.
Say bye-bye.